Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the chapter related with the topic ratio analysis. First of all, we must understand what is ratio analysis. It is a technique of financial statement analysis and is used to interpret quantitative relationship between two variables of the financial statement. That means just like a common size and a comparative statement that are also tools of financial statement analysis, same like that this ratio analysis also we used for measuring the relationship between two variables of the financial statement, that is balance sheet or a profit and loss account. Then different types of ratios, 4 types of ratios are there. First one is liquidity ratio, second one is solvency ratio, third one is activity ratio or turnover ratio, and fourth one is profitability ratio. So first ratio is liquidity ratio. Then what is liquidity ratio? This ratio is to evaluate the capability of the entity to meet its short-term liabilities. This ratio is mainly we calculate for the purpose of evaluating or measuring the capability or capacity of the enterprise to meet how capable or how much capable this particular enterprise to meet their short-term liabilities. This liquidity ratios again classified into two: current ratio and liquid or quick ratio. Then current ratio. Then current ratio, first current ratio, liquidity ratio classified into two: current ratio and a liquid or quick ratio. This current ratio means to measure the short-term financial obligations of the enterprises, that is current liabilities, or the particular enterprise how much capable to pay off their short-term financial obligations like current liabilities when it become due. So it is a relationship of current assets and current liabilities. Through current ratio, we are measuring the relationship of current assets and current liabilities. These are the two items of balance sheet. These two variables we are measuring. The quantitative relationship we are measuring with the help of the current ratio for analyzing the capability of the enterprise to pay off its short-term financial obligation, that is current liabilities. Then the current ratio is equal to equation current assets divided by current liabilities. Then current assets divided by current liabilities. Then I will explain what are the items come under the current assets and current liabilities. Normally expressed this ratio in a pure basis, pure ratio. It is expressed as pure ratio, that is example current asset 2 lakhs, current liability is 1 lakh. So current ratio is equal to 2 lakhs divided by 1 lakh, that is 2, or 2:1. So pure ratio means it is expressed as quotient. So in this way we can calculate current ratio, current asset divided by current liability.